Mrs. Tan embarked on a saving scheme. She has decided that the minimum amount she should save per year will be 100,000 pesos. At the end of the first year, she saved 100,000 pesos and has decided to save an additional 5,000 pesos for each succeeding year. How much will she have saved at the end of 30th year? Let's find the given information. We have the first term for the first year that she saved is 100,000, or the amount of money she saved on the first year. What should be the common difference? It is 5,000 pesos because she has decided to save an additional 5,000 pesos. So the first term should be 100,000 pesos. The second term, if she will add 5,000 pesos, it will become 105,000 pesos. So 105,000 minus 100,000 is 5,000. That is our common difference. The value of n, which is 30, because we will find how much will she save at the end of 30th year. And this would be the last term, or the end term, is 30, or the amount of money she saved on the 30th year. First thing that we're going to do is to find first the A sub 30 by using the formula A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, A sub 30, substitute the value of A sub n to A sub 30. A sub 1 is 100,000 pesos plus the value of n, open parenthesis, the value of n, which is 30 minus 1 times the common difference, 5,000 pesos. And then solve 100,000 pesos plus 30 minus 1 is 29 times copy 5,000 pesos. So 29 times 5,000 pesos is 145,000 pesos plus 100,000 pesos, which is equal to 245,000 pesos. That would be our last term, or the amount she saved at the end of 30th year. This is the amount that she saved in the 30th year, or the last term. So if we have the last term, which is 245,000, we can now find the total amount that she saved in 30 years. So let us use the formula in finding the sum. S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of A sub 1 plus A sub n. So substitute the value S sub 30, which is the value of n. Value of n is 30 over 2. A sub 1 is 100,000 pesos plus the last term, or the A sub 30, which is 245,000 pesos. So 100 plus 245,000 pesos is equal to 345,000 pesos times the quotient of 30 over 2, which is 15, and we will get the sum of 5,175,000 pesos. So that is the sum, or she will save 5,175,000 at the end of 30th year.